Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Ledford again. I'm here to talk about tax reform and Schedule 3 non-fundable credits. So if you're familiar with the 1040 and how it used to be, if you get your 1040 for 217 out and you go to the back page and you line your back page up with the numbers that you're looking at now on the screen, non-refundable credits match that. So if you ever done any taxes at all, then the same thing you used to do with the 1040 as relates to those line items are the same way you're going to do them going forward in 2018. Child tax and pending care expense 2441 form, we fill that form out the same way. 8863 educational credit, which is called the American Opportunity Credit, you fill that form out the same way. Retirement savings contribution credit attached 8880 if apply. That's for people who made contributions to their 401k plans. You'll see that in box 12 with a D or E for the most part, and that'll have a number in there of how much they paid inside their retirement account for the year on their W-2. And also 52 is reserved, but it's a child tax credit, line 52. And 53 is residential any credit, forms 5695 is the primary forms that we would fill out for people who was used to filling out the 1040 form anyway before they made the reform changes and pulled each section out and renamed them. So the non-refundable credit section is simply the non-refundable section of the 1040 2017. And if you go to the same line items on the 2017 1040 form and see those are the same ones that we always prepared. Now, if you're new to the industry altogether, then you wouldn't be familiar with none of it anyway. But if you've been doing taxes for the last year, 2 or 3, hopefully you've done 1 or 2 of these credits. You've seen them before, and that's what the non-refundable credits are. They are credits that's non-refundable to the taxpayer as a part of their refund. Now, the new change that's coming up in 2018 is that the child tax credit, a portion that is now refundable, which is line 52, that they have on here called reserve. So if you're new to the industry and you don't want to have to go inside groups and ask 3,000 questions to get 3,000 responses, and you want somebody who can coach you and mentor you and send you on the right path to learning how this stuff works as far as being a tax preparer in this industry, reach out to me through my contact information and we can set up a consultation. And, based on where you're at in your journey, I can definitely guide you through a simple process to get you started if you're new to this. And that's what the non-refundable credit is really all about. It's just the credits that we always filled out in the past, and the only new change is line 52, which is the child tax credit, which has now a refundable portion to it for people who do qualify for that. And so, like I said, if you need more hands-on guidance through this industry, through this career field, I have a coaching program for people who want to make a career out of this and don't want to have to go through groups and answer all these tedious questions, and you still have to do your own research when you get through talking, and you're going to have somebody who can guide you through what software to use and everything else you need to have when it comes to running your own tax service, coming from one person. Instead of 500 or 600 mouths, you only have one mouth you listen to, and that's the mentor and coach who's going to guide you through this process, who has 18 years worth of experience, 12 years as an entrepreneur in this industry, who specializes in income tax services for people who want to make a career out of it. So that's the basics of what non-refundable credits are really all about. And like I said, if you're still not understanding that, please reach out to me with the contact information that I'm putting that inside the description area, and I'll see you in my next video.